Happy birthday to you. This is your last party ever.
Last one, make it count.
No, it didn't. Yay! What'd you wish for? Your own job and a place and win the lottery?
A bigger shoe to see you with.
Aw, we can do that. Open your present. Oh, I forgot to buy ice cream. I knew I was forgetting something. Oh, nobody wanted ice cream.
I do.
Alright. I'll give you some money. Well, open your present. And then we'll do cake.
Go ahead and do it really quick. That way everybody's right here.
Open the first one there. I'm recording here.
Ain't it shiny? Oh, well, she's too.
Money.
T-shirt with sweat.
Oh, she finally reads the cards. That's progress. Forever, she just like dump the money out and go. Dump the money out and go. No, not even put her on. She'd shake it, take the money out, and go.
You're not commercialized yet. You put money towards that.
Allie has me on the bottom of her cast. I would have put. You should read this. Flip me over. Just give me a shot. Down right now.
It's video. It's video.
I know it is.
It's video. She wants to push.
Oh no, what's that, a bathing suit?
Make it a vanilla one. She's hungry. She's hungry.
God.
Come on now.
You're gonna judge me? I don't have any technical difficulties. God. Alex, I've never judged you.
I tell Gabby I judge her all the time. I'm her mother. That's my job.
When you sign up for that, you gotta watch them about
Oh, aren't we pretty?
That's the whole reason I picked out the bow.
You picked your own bow out?
Picked the bag out too.
We're past the age of
Why you go get what
surprises.
you want?
Brand new laptop. Yay!
Oh my God.
Shut up! I want to be 21 again.
Hold that up, Gab.
And it was over budget.
What?
Break
It was
that
over
up on the
budget.
computer and you'll get one. Sure.
Yay!
Wow. 3 to 1 should drop twice.
We got the accidental insurance on it. That was an extra $100.
Because my other one,
If they spill pop on it or drop it, it's replaced.
I do like sparkles.
At least once. If she does it more than once, we're screwed.
Flip flop.
Get some other one.
There. They're sparkling.
Might as well.
Yeah, don't say anything. No. He's just always cracking on people.
They're crazy in that dorm, so
Yeah, I don't
It's like you'll.
I liked it some last week.
Don't lose your...
I
I got her a Subway card and an iTunes card.
Boy, she made out like a bandit.
She can eat.
Well, the receipts are for the laptop and the warranty and all that. Do not lose all that laptop
I'm not.
stuff.
Now it's in the bag. Calm yourself.
We turned around and walked out with our pants. We need a lumber yard.
My phone.
I like the peg.
So, Gabby, you're buying dinner? That's a no.
You get something from the dog.
Oh, harsh.
You did that to me.
Not when we were at the Cheesecake Factory.
That's because they don't have a dollar thing.
We bought a whole skid of trees.
God, what'd you guys get her?
Well, it's from a bunch. Well, considering it's probably the majority of the store.
Like your hallway?
Yeah.
Aww, well that was nice. I want to go to college and have lots of friends buy me stuff.
We buy you stuff.
That ship has sailed long, long ago. So you out of my house?
Oh, lucky.
Let's get close up. They're basically saying you smell bad. So
No, they're basically saying it's my turn to buy
I'm
for spa.
surprised there wasn't cleaning
what that
supplies.
is?
I've seen her
It's my turn
dorm.
to buy for spa night. Is that what that is?
Surprise!
Oh, and they all
Bought
signed
everything they want to use.
it. Yeah.
I'm sweating up.
You can pick that Dan to sign the card.
Yeah, and Mariah.
Yeah, it's her birthday today too.
Yeah.
That's Dan's girlfriend.
Okay.
Sorry.
Linda, I am recording this, so your big derriere is taking up the whole video. And I'm not going to edit it, so.
Come on.
It's going on YouTube.
No.
Oh, it's going on YouTube, even better.
No, I'll come up and get that.
Ew.
Oh, well.
Smack it.
I'm afraid to ask, what is that? Do I want to know?
It's just a little. It just like chicken.
Okay.
Chicken.
Open up your last one there. And that's for everybody today.
This is my favorite.
We will open that.
It's like a bottle.
Everybody will get it.
Oh.
Some champagne. Okay.